So our train isn't until 2:35 and it is like 10 in the morning, so we're just gonna continue to go through Bayeux a little bit because we didn't really have the chance to, and probably get some food, check out a church, and we'll figure it out. So that's it.
Bunker.
Jeez.
Jeez. Hello? Hello?
Our train broke down, and before it even took off, so they're sending another engine to come and replace it, so we're not too far off schedule. So we're just sort of stuck here for a little bit, but we're making the most of it. We got some movies, sandwiches, beer,
I just burped really long.
and wine.
Dude, I do want to crack into that wine too at some point.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be delicious. Friendly people, and luckily we have Wi-Fi. There was a little bar around the corner to buy the sandwiches and beer, and we got it to go because Europe is awesome. Ian's on his way to Japan, and so it's funny because multiple people have said this. Ian leaves to Japan tomorrow from Paris, but he's taking a train one day earlier because he knows that this kind of stuff happens all the time, and with the strikes, even worse.
If you don't have the strike, you have the accident, you have the...
The mechanical problem.
Yeah, mechanical problem.
I don't even know how long we've been on this train.
Long time.
Long time.
Since 2:30 and it's 7.
Have you seen the murder at the Midnight Express? The Midnight Express murder train? Feels like that, but nothing's going on. So we arrived in Paris after 6 hours of being stuck on a train. But we have Ian here, and he's helping us get to our hostel. Super awesome person. Okay, so we are in the Generator Hostel.
Yes.
I just checked in, met another friend.
Hi.
What was your name?
Renji.
Renji?
Yes.
Ranji?
Yes.
Marcos.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How long have you been in Europe?
2 months.
2 months?
Yes.
Whew.
Yes.
Our train got stuck in Bayeux
Yes.
for 6 hours.
Yes.
So we were supposed to be here at 4 p.m.
Yes. Yes.
and we got here at 9:30. We're gonna go to the Eiffel Tower, take a picture,
Yes.
and then tomorrow we go to Amsterdam.
Yes. Amsterdam?
Yeah,
Yes. Good.
yeah. So
Good.
should be fun. And then Monday, Italy.
And from Amsterdam to Italy?
Mhm.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's the plan. So hopefully we'll see you there. We're in the streets of Paris. Haley's upstairs in the hostel sleeping, and I told her to keep a wide awake eye for my phone, but she didn't respond. So I'm gonna go get her a sandwich, a hot sandwich, before we go back. Hopefully we can get something to eat. Day number 6. We have approximately 2.5 hours to go and see the Eiffel Tower. It is about 10:40. We have to go catch a train to Amsterdam. I don't know how to pull a train to Amsterdam at 2:35, and this is the terrace. Is it that way? Or is it that way? Yeah. Yeah, stand. Alright, so we just got pictures of the Ark. Oh wow, I didn't even notice how cool this is. Look at this huge. There are sunroofs, there are moon roofs, and there are awesome, amazing roofs. We're gonna head up to the Eiffel Tower and try to get some pictures of that and different angles. And we officially have. How's your ankle feeling?
Yeah, itchy.
Still itchy, and we have about an hour to take pictures, eat, and get back to the hostel.
I think we can do it.
We'll see.
Arkin will probably be late.
Yeah. We're late for our checkout. Gotta sneak by and then check out real quick and then get the out of here. And 40, I don't know, 6:45, 7:45, 5 hours and 20 minutes later, and we are arriving in Amsterdam, downtown Central Station.
I want some fries.
We all want some fries.
And some crepes.
And some crepes, ooh yeah.
And some sexy energy.
We have about 26 hours in the city. We're probably going to spend about 6 of those hours sleeping because I don't want to waste much time. We're not going to sleep a whole lot. Salut.
Thank you.
Thank you. And hopefully things go well. Salut.
Thank you.